From above, the true beauty of Abbey Falls comes to life. The waterfall cuts through the forest, creating a stunning contrast between the rushing white water and the endless shades of green. Looking beyond the falls, you can see why Coorg is called the Scotland of India. Endless forests, rolling hills, and untouched nature stretch as far as the eye can see.
The waterfall, of the waterfall, of the waterfall, of the waterfall. It feels like I'm drowning, I can go out there. No one will ever find us if we're staying here, standing on the edge of something beautiful.